Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at this website. Name of this website is Copy AI. So on this website, whatever you want to ask, our chat has the answers. So whatever you ask this website, they're going to give you the answer. So it's free to sign up. And what this website does is write blogs 10 times faster, write higher converting posts, and write more engaging emails. And they have a video right here that you can watch and look at it in action. So experience the full power of an AI content generator that delivers premium results in seconds. 6 million plus professionals and teams choose Copy AI. And as you can see, they work with big major companies like Microsoft, eBay, and Nestle. Now, here's some testimonies from people that use this website. So this person right here says, Copy AI is the best. Been using it for copywriting, especially for blog posts. Saves me so much time and mental energy. It's a worthwhile investment. So this person is very happy with this website because Copy AI does all the work for them. So this is what Copy AI helps. Blog content, digital ad copy, e-commerce copy, sales copy, social media content, website copy, write better content faster, and they have 90 plus tools and templates for you to use. Now, how it works. You're going to enter your copywriting project. So choose from emails, social posts, long form blog posts, and more. Then number 2, you're going to give Copy AI a bit of context. Enter a few sentences about your brand and products. Then number 3, our AI content generator gives you multiple options for each campaign that you're working on. And number 4, edit, polish, and publish. Use Copy AI's editor to rewrite paragraphs and polish up sentences. Now, you're probably going to say, okay, we know about this website. We know what we can do. How it's going to make us money. Well, what I'm going to do is go to this other website where you're going to make the money at using Copy AI. So let me go to that website right now. Okay, guys, I'm at the next website, and the name of it is Money Pantry. So to get to this website, you just type in Money Pantry / get paid to write. And as you can see, it says get paid to write, 101 sites that pay you $50,000 to $3,000 per blog post. So let me scroll down here and show you the websites that you can go to. So they have travel and vacation websites. So as you can see here, if you go here and submit a blog, it's $150 per post. And here's one right here, Wonderlist, $220 per post. They have another one, Great Escape Publishing, $50 to $200 per post. So as you can see, they have a lot of websites you can go to and post a blog and get paid. And once you get all the information you need to write the blog, you're just going to go back to Copy AI. And once you sign up, you're just going to submit that information here to Copy AI, and they're going to write the blog for you. And once they finish writing the blog, you just copy it, go back here, and submit to whatever website that you went ahead and signed up for to make money just writing a blog post. So that's the steps, guys. Again, go to Copy AI, sign up, then go to Money Pantry / Get Paid to Write. Submit your article or blog post and get paid. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this 3 times a week. Okay guys, one more thing before I leave. If you're having trouble manifesting money in your life or anything else, check out my ebook. It will help you manifest money using numbers. So all you got to do is just click on the link in the description or the comments below where it says click this link to learn how to manifest with numbers, and you'll be able to download the ebook and start manifesting using numbers. Okay guys, thanks again, really appreciate it. On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.